without further ado, the men's box.
1, 2,
3. Ta-da!
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 Ta-da! Ta-da!
Ta-da!
So, what do we have here?
What do we have here?
The 4-in-1 cleansing foam. Ooh, cleansing foam. Wait, what is that?
There's a shampoo. There's a body wash.
This is not gonna go well, is it? Oh, there we go.
A facial cleanser. A shave cream. That smells like coconut-y.
It smells like March in Ireland.
It smells like lotion.
All right, this is the Spongel Men's Extreme Body Buffer.
Wow, look at this.
Ooh. Oh!
Oh, it smells great. And you just kind of rub it on you. It's a loofah, and it has some stuff in it.
Cayenne pepper extract. Sounds spicy.
With cayenne extract? Hello. Ooh, socks.
Okay. Socks, these are nice. Come on, seriously, right? Seriously, pineapple socks?
How do they feel?
They feel good. They feel like socks.
Do you want to help me find what else is in here?
This is a Dopp Kit, otherwise known as a toiletries kit.
Some people think it's like Dopp Kit, but it's actually Dopp Kit, D-O-P, and it's really for men's. What do you call men's stuff? What you put in? Toiletries, yeah. So this is what you put your toiletries in.
What is this called?
A Dopp Kit.
A what?
A Dopp Kit.
Dopp?
D-O-P-T.
See, fortunately for me, I actually know what this is. This is called a Dopp Kit.
Dopp?
You know it's a Dopp Kit.
You knew this was a Dopp kit?
Good craftsmanship on this Dopp Kit.
What do they call it again? The Dopp Kit. This is the Mason Man Skincare Superhero Shave Cream. Superhero Shave Cream! All right, not all superheroes wear capes. False.
Not all superheroes wear capes. I feel different about that.
Leaving you more time from crime fighting, which is what I do on my off time when I'm not here at FabFitFun.
We got this thing, which looks like it would be good in a fight. This thing is sweet and definitely useful.
So you have a hex opener, you have a beer bottle, you have a money clip, you have a ruler. Holy crap, that is an Allen wrench, you're right. Where are the instructions for this thing? It looks like a money clip.
There's something to measure with.
Looks like you could open beer with it. I certainly need more things in my life that I can open beer with.
Oh, wow, this is nice. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, what?
Silo Radium Bluetooth earbuds with pouch.
Hold on. With pouch. What does that mean?
Liking this leather pouch a lot.
Oh, they sound good. They sound really good.
All right, that feels good. That feels secure. I feel like I'm ready for my run.
And they stick right in there, so you can jump up and down. They don't fall out.
So there you have it.
So I think it's a great box.
This box has it all.
Overall verdict? I would be very happy to be gifted this box. Do I get one of these?